Welcome to part 2. Getting Peanut Butter reunited with her mom. The sun has now waved goodnight and the moon is anxiously waiting to shine its glorious glow over the farmland. And Peanut Butter is still following us around. So we are growing anxious with wanting to reunite her with Mommy Dearest, still graciously grazing as if she did not just give birth a few hours ago. I could see Mommy was still young and Peanut Butter is her first calf. I am wondering, is this young lady even mature enough to be a mom? After trying some time to lead Peanut Butter close to the herd with no success, we had to call in the big guns. Farmer John, could it be that calves like children respond better to a strong male figure leading the herd? Seems so. Not long after Farmer John blessed us with his presence did Peanut Butter catch the drift and accepted her cow fate. Auntie Daisy is eager to welcome Peanut Butter to the herd. With some other aunt coming to meet the little calf, she is quickly accepted into the herd. But where is her mother? Not long after Peanut Butter is searching Auntie Daisy for a milk teat. Clearly responding to her animal instinct of needing milk fast, her mother spots her and rushes over. Mother and baby is reunited. What a pleasure it was sharing your first few hours, Peanut Butter. We will never forget you.